How to justify text in Capcut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to justify text in Capcut. It's super easy, so without further ado, let's get started. But before we begin, make sure that your Capcut app is up to date to access all the latest features. And now, let's open the Capcut app. And once you have opened the Capcut app, simply select a photo or video that you want to edit. And after that, simply tap on the text from the toolbar and enter your text. But here, as you can see, I have already added the text. Now tap on the text to select it, and after that tap on styles in the toolbar. Now scroll down to find the spacing option and tap on it. And now here you will see different alignment option. So choose your preferred alignment like left, center, right, or justified, or even more than that. And after that you can adjust character spacing, line spacing, and scale to make your text look perfect. And once you're happy with the result, you can simply tap on the check mark to save your changes, and after that you can tap on the export icon at the top right corner, and after that your video is ready to save and share. And that's it. With this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.